The advertisements encouraging federal agents to take off their masks won't be up much longer, but the people behind the six-figure ad campaign hope the message resonates. Masked agents on the streets, they argue, create a climate of intimidation and fear and run counter to the principles of community policing.
I do understand the terror that it creates for people. A lot of times these officers are masked. They're not identifying themselves. They're not wearing badges. They're wearing street clothes and masks. And a lot of people think that they may be getting abducted. And it's just not good policing, terrorizing communities. So I think that when you're out there working in a public capacity, take your mask off.
I think a lot of people don't understand the risk of being identified as a law enforcement officer. I personally have talked with law enforcement officers around the country where they have been identified as law enforcement and people have waited outside their homes in cars. I've talked to officers whose kids have been followed to school. These are real risks to personal safety, and these are real examples of harassment. It's not unusual or hard to understand why some law enforcement want to wear masks.
Josh Etterheimer points out that federal agents have been doxxed and harassed in their homes. He says a system where federal agents are identified with numbers would be a good middle ground, holding them accountable without requiring them to be unmasked.